guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making polygel nails using nail forms because most of the time I use nail tips and I find it easier to work with. But yeah, let's try doing more with nail forms. So ito yung parcel ko, kakadating lang niya. Sa Shopee ko to in-order, tsaka local store lang siya kaya ang bilis niya ma-deliver. Parang less than a week lang. And guys, binili ko tong lahat ng to for only 100 pesos. Free shipping siya using Shopee Pay, kaya nakamura talaga ako. Ang dami na niya for that price, kaya nung nakita ko yung shop na to, bumili agad ako. And sa tingin ko, I will buy again soon kasi ang maganda sa shop niya, pwede ka bumili ng tingi, kaya favorable siya sa bulsa mo. Bumili ako ng nail form, syempre, and you get 10 pieces for 9 pesos. Ito naman, same ng price, nag-iba lang ako ng color. And a water transfer sticker. Stripping tapes. This one is in the color of laser white. Pipiliin ko sana yung white kaso nakita ko yung laser white. Na-curious ako kasi di ko alam kung ano yung difference sa white kaya yun lang pinili ko. Clear nail tips. Long stiletto nails. So, yun yung laman ng in-order ko, pero yung gagamitin ko lang muna is yung nail forms and the water transfer sticker. Yung nail form na gagamitin ko, ito yung madalas na nakikita ko sa mga videos na napapanood ko sa YouTube. Kaya ito rin yung pinili kong variation. So, I will get my cuticle pusher for the prepping and push back my cuticles gently. Hindi dapat to masakit guys, dahan-dahan lang yung pag-push ng cuticles. And then, babalik na rin ko siya para i-scrape yung dead skin. After trimming and buffing, I'm putting a layer of base coat to all of my nails. So sa mga napapanood ko, yung maliit na circle na natitira, ilalagay nila yun sa likod ng form sa ilalim ng pagpapatungan mo ng product para mas matibay siya. So, I will do this to the rest of my nails, except muna sa thumb dahil ihuhuli ko siya. After that, kukunin ko yung clear polygel, yung pinakita ko sa previous video, and alcohol as my slip solution. So, mag-start muna ako with the thin layer of polygel. Yung brush na ginagamit ko is not specifically made for polygel. This is actually a makeup brush. Nakita ko lang siya sa drawer ko. And yun, tinry ko siya gamitin and mas nadalaan ako dyan. So, ayun. Piliin nyo kung saan kayo mas comfortable because brushes have different sizes. Some people din, they are light-handed, some are not. Kaya nakadepende din yun sa mag-fit sa'yo. And then I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna do it to the rest of my nails. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagagaling tong mga gamang-gamang ata to. Nakabukas ata yung bintana na nagpi-film ako. Pero yun, wag nyo naman pansinin. So, I think yung mahirap sa paggamit ng nail forms is ikaw yung mag-shape ng polygel. Unlike nail tips, before you put the polygel, sinishape mo na agad yung nail tip para may guide ka on where to put the polygel. Dito kasi ikaw mismo yung magsasculpt ng gusto mong shape, either coffin, stiletto, almond, or square. Pero it's okay kahit hindi ganun ka-close sa shape na gusto mo yung na-sculpt mo kasi pwede naman natin siya i-file after. After my nails are done, tatanggalin na natin yung nail form. So, ipipinch mo lang siya pababa, then take off the flaps na nakastick sa finger mo. Ginagawa ko muna siyang manipis kasi di ko makita ng maayos pag kakapalan ko na yung pag-build ng nail with the nail form on. So, now that they're off, we can build the nail. Kaya natin siya kinakapalan kasi mahaba yung length ng polygel extension. Nakadepende yung thickness niya sa length. So, pag di naman ganun kahaba, medyo ninipisan natin. Sa mga pinapanood ko, ang haba ng nails sila, ang ganda. And makikita mo talaga yung thickness na kailangan ng nail para di siya masnap or maputol. I'm still working on it. Di pa ako ganun kagaling. I still have stuff to learn and natututo ako by practicing. So, don't lose hope kung di mo pa siya magawa sa una kasi it takes a lot of effort and practice and soon you'll get better and better. Normal lang yung may magawa kang mistakes basta you learn from it. Like me, minsan medyo makapal na gagawa ko, minsan naman medyo manipis. Pero it's a learning curve din kasi in the next try, alam ko na yung gagawin. Kaya don't give up if you really want this and let's grow together. So, ayan, na-build na natin yung nails. Before filing, tanggalin nyo muna yung sticky layer by rubbing some alcohol sa nails. Kukunin ko na yung hand file ko. Ito yung DIY nail files. Kung di nyo pa napapanood, I'll put in the cards. Doon, pinakita ko lang kung paano ko ginawa tong file na to. Pero I'm excited kasi dumating na yung nail drill ko na in-order ko sa Shopee. So, probably on the next video, papakita ko kung beginner-friendly ba siya. Kasi first time ko lang din gagamit ng e-file, so watch out for that. I will be using this nail polish to all of my nails. Also, don't forget to buff your nails para matanggal niya yung scratches sa pag-nail file, lalo na pag gagamit ka ng nail polish cause it may show and it won't look good. After that, lalagyan ko siya ng water transfer sticker. Di ko talaga alam yung proper way of doing it or kung ito ba yung proper, pero ginawa ko siya like those fake tattoos na nabibili mo sa palengke, yung gagamit ka ng bulak and water para matransfer siya. Hindi ko na malayan na namatay na pala yung camera ko. So, yun, nalagay ko na yung sticker. So, lastly, apply cuticle oil and that's it. I really like how it turned out. So, please leave a comment on what you think about this video. I hope you like it as much as I do. Also, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. Comment down below on suggestions on what I should do next. And I'll see you on the next one.